So today we'll be taking a look at the AMD Athlon 64X2 5600 Plus processor. Now this processor is very old. It came out in 2005. It's built on the 90nm process and has a very high TDP of 89 watts, meaning that it runs very hot, as many older AMD processors are known for running. Its maximum safe operating temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. So here, I short the power pins on the old Zotac motherboard that the CPU is on to start the system. Then I take the piece of bacon and place it on the processor's internal heat spreader. I use a fork to push the bacon onto the processor to get better cooking. As you can see, it's already getting very hot. I enter the BIOS and then go to the PC health status to check the temperature, which is now 117 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the bacon is indeed cooking on the processor.
Power cycle.
The PC shut down due to overheating, so I then proceeded to restart it. The noise that you hear in the background is the PC's fan spinning up, as well as the old hard drive. As you can see, the bacon is now cooked.
It cooked it.
It left a lot of grease behind on the chip as well.
It actually cooked the meat. Hey guys, so as you just saw in this video, I just cooked bacon using an AMD Athlon 64X2 5600 Plus processor without the heatsink. And to prove that I really did cook it, it's still warm. Heatsink back on the processor. It still works. We're going to make sure that Windows still works. Let's go check what the temperature is now that there's a heatsink on it. 44 degrees Celsius. When we were cooking it, it was over 120 degrees Celsius. The processor lives on. Despite being used to cook bacon, this is not enough to kill an AMD Athlon 64, not 64, X2. See if these popcorn kernels will pop. 89, 92. $114, it's going to shut off soon. No. Start the system back up. The processor temperature is too high for it to start. There now. And we'll go ahead and start. See if that water will boil. Yep. It's boiling. It already shut off thermally.
So despite everything that we put this old processor through, cooking bacon on it, attempting to cook popcorn kernels on it, and attempting to boil water on it, the processor still survived. However, I would not recommend trying this, as not only is it very likely that you will kill your processor, but many processors, even this one, have thermal overhead protection where the system will automatically shut off if it gets too hot. Also, obviously, a CPU is much better at processing than cooking. This will conclude today's video. Thank you for watching.